Bachiga TV.
And then shortly after the NBS talk, we now switched on to the Voice of America to get on there in the Straight Talk of Africa. Profoundly honored and exceedingly humble. I have to be honest with you that I am hugely terrific. And as the voice say, I am profoundly honored and exceedingly humble. I am Shakasari, aka the Kawaleki, straight out live the Straight Talk of Africa. And you know, I have always told my people in Uganda that being a man is not actually going to the streets of the kids, even when you have gone to university, to conquer and conquer. Sentence. When I was lifting into the system to interview between Bobi Wine and His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, I actually had the pleasure to sit with the two. And here is what happened. I asked Bobi Wine what happens in the country, and shortly after the question, this is what Bobi Wine said in his own voice. Well, Twagala Mwami Museveni ategele. This is our country, because the people, many of the civilians in Uganda are languishing in prisons, and he cannot actually give the accountability of them. As the people power, we are now coming into the crusade of the issues of the country. More money should come, eh? Now, over to you, President Yoweri Museveni. What have you to say about the systems that Kyagulanyi is talking about? President Museveni, now you have 2 minutes of replying Kyagulanyi. Thank you. Now, recently I lifted the curfew and I said the curfew should be lifted for only the border can sleep at 6. So therefore, we are saying the government should now focus on job creativity. So I thank you and I wish you good luck. Now, what you shortly after the interviews were part of the sessions where Right Honorable John Patrick Kamambabazi came in for the final and closing remarks. Well, I go. Government bamwihamo buhati yatayina mulimo mwana nagira ngo abaragira ngo mama zitayina mulimo abati barabaye baburira bagiminga nabagira ngo mama bazi emirimo yayina mu government yingi emwetigiri naho uyigore mwaburira mwero najemero mnomba abagureba munejaha bagira ngo nagira kwesimba munaruga mwenaremo niyo muntu owatandikira wenaremo ona yiwe kangiruga mugaranga imwe gumurareba najire ni kugira ndi ya dorareba mugongera haka kushango enaremo egene meisha mweno iyo bareke ko yabeya ejo nashaze kugira ngore abo babashika bagirete mahurira mahurira. Oh, from there now we came back to the local radio stations of Kanungu, and tuning in was KBS FM. ukutandika mu program iyo nkasheje yes kandi mwebare mnonga kubaho yachize wa kandi broadcasting services mpora turutambura kandi umwana twija kuba nutambura mpora no kureba mutwarugaho kasheshe pakasha idaziha yes thank you abwebare mnonga kandi yahanaga kahungu na biki na nabandi bari yahandi bija kubandi batahamu okuriba muri tubyona byateye ariko rongene ko kandi wishimwe ikiga prime class abinji namba barabyeta ibyo kinyakari nabagira ngo ibyo byonda bikarugaho abakiga kashushu mwereze mikono bahweze ikiga prime class icyo kimwe ikindi kubagambira icyo kugira ngo program ya global focus irabira kwicibwaho buri runaka ushamwenda kw'ikikumi baragira ngo ndakubiho wishimwe ikiga prime class